Hello everyone, and welcome to the Car Crash Test channel, where we dive into the latest safety results from IIHS crash tests. Today, we're taking a closer look at the IIHS crash test results for the 2024 Honda Prologue, Honda's latest electric SUV. Let's find out how it performed in these rigorous safety tests. One key test where the Honda Prologue didn't make the grade was the small overlap front test. Here, the passenger dummy's head slipped between the front and side curtain airbags. This issue resulted in only an acceptable rating, which prevents it from qualifying for the IIHS Top Safety Pick. To earn a Top Safety Pick in 2024, vehicles must achieve a good rating in the small overlap front and updated side tests, along with acceptable or good headlights across all trims. Unfortunately, the Prologue didn't meet these criteria, missing out on an award. While seatbelt reminders and the latch system ease of use aren't award criteria, Honda Prologue buyers might consider these aspects in their purchasing decisions. These additional safety features make a difference in overall passenger security. Though it didn't earn a top safety pick, the Honda Prologue shows promise as Honda's latest electric SUV. Will this performance change in future models? Stay tuned and let us know your thoughts in the comments.